Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I am sharing another Christmas in July kit, and this one is inspired by this beautiful collection from Stamperia that's called Pink Christmas, which is this one. And all the kits have 3 or 4 8x8 sheets that come from this collection, and I added those in the different kits that I have. The kit number, the first one was called kit number A, and this one is called kit number B. So if you're interested, please just send me a PM, or if you're watching this on Instagram, a DM as well, as soon as possible, and I'll contact you if it's still available. So let's start and dig in. The first thing that you get is this beautiful card. It's from a game, and it's a vintage card as well, with the letter B, which is also again the second letter of the alphabet, so that's also 2 there, and I just love this one. Then you get a beautiful set of trims, and across approximately like more than 10 yards of vintage trims, and the other yards are from the newer trims that I have as well. So you get quite a lot of trims in this kit as well. So it's a lot of bang for your buck, as I say. This beautiful package here has a doily there on the top, as you can see, and also some gorgeous trims inside. These are both of them are vintage, as well as this one. And this one has a beautiful sort of a snowy icicle look, which I love. And this beautiful baby blue is also one of my favorites. So that's for that one. And this is the back. And what I used, the paper collection that I used for this is from, again, also from Stamperia. If you want to know which paper collection, just let me know, and I'll put the link down below as well. So that's for that one. Then I have another one which has a beautiful doily again there for you. Quite a large one, I must say. As you can see here, just beautiful, super cute. And I'll try to iron her up a little bit more, so it's more flat and beautiful when you receive her. And it has a beautiful hand made flat trim there, and just this as a closure. Then for the trims, these are quite wide ones, and they have such a beautiful pattern, as you can see. I just love that. And this is for this one, and that's for that one. I just really love the colors. And now it looks like on the camera it looks a little bit like salmon, but it's more pinkish color. So really pretty. And this is for the back. I'll put all the things together so we won't miss out when I send it off to you. And this is the third one that also has a beautiful piece there. This is tatting. It's a little bit just cut out here, but I just wanted to use this as a topper, and you can probably use this as well pretty good. So that's why I decided to add this one to the topper of this bag. And then I wanted to share with you these. This one is a vintage one with a retro print. This one has a really pretty beautiful tints there. And I just love this scalloped edge here, the beautiful flower. And this one also has a beautiful sort of scalloped edge there as well. So, and this is the back. I'll put them all together again. And I'm so excited to hear what you think about the kits so far. If you want to see like specialty items in the kits, or if you're interested in just seeing me create other projects, just let me know. So in this little baggie I have like different elements tucked inside there. Beautiful stickers, heart stickers, all have a beautiful bling, Christmassy, very festival look. And then I just love that one, this here, such a beautiful add-on as well. So I'll just take her out of the bag and show you more up and close. Sorry about the noise. This one, beautiful rhinestone, just love her. So those goodies are tucked in this bag, ready to go. Then I'll show you the just show them one by one. The beautiful trims. These are all vintage trims that I tucked in. So as I said, you get more than 10 yards of beautiful vintage trim in this kit. This is the second one. Just a beautiful, beautiful. I just love the pattern of those. Let me see if it focuses like so. Yes, like this. And this one as well. Beautiful dainty one. And I cannot wait to see what you all will create with this one as well. But all these beautiful yummy goodies. Beautiful velvety one. And the rig rack one. Also super cute. And this one is very special because this one is antique piece. And it's a mix between tatting and sort of applique, but it's really gorgeous. Just love this one. Then I also tucked in a festive pack with 4 different elements there on metallic trims. These 2 have leaves and these 2 have stars. So plenty of those for you to play with as well. Then I have this beautiful piece here. I just love her. Such a beautiful and stunning piece, as you see. And that's for that. Put her here. This is a piece of bridal applique as well. Also a very specialty piece. And this is a piece of vinyl doilies. Small ones. These are approximately like 1 inch. So you have 8 large ones and 8 smaller ones in this kit. Then I put in some enamel dots as well. This is sort of antique gold and I must say also antique silver for this one. So, and this super cute and lovely popcorn holder. I just love this one. So I tuck that inside as well. Then for the papers that come from the Stamperia Site Christmas collection. Again, this is the 8x8 collection that I will be receiving. Let me see, they open to the side. It goes like this. And this is the second page. It will go like so. You have this page, some beautiful cut out pieces there. And this is the back of that one. And these 2. I left this at the back so you can see all the information again, and of course you can use this on your projects, so that's why I kept this one on. So that's for that. Then I put in a high quality photo printout that's from the local store here called Hobby Daantje. And this is just a perfect mix of the nostalgia, shabby chic layout, and I just love that to combine it with all these beautiful elements as well. Then I have in the bottom quite a few selected pieces that are vintage doilies. First start with the newer pieces, then I'll share with you all the vintage pieces. These two, quite a large piece as well. And then this one is such a fun element. I just love dangled tassel there, and I just can see these on beautiful fabric journals. Such a beautiful piece. So then for the all the pieces that are vintage, the doilies, and some of them have like attaching pieces there. I left them on. You can take them all off if you like, but I just want to leave that up to you. So two of those. Then quite a large piece as well, with lots of possibilities to cut out. And then this one. And this one. And this one is sort of, yeah, crochet, tatting. I just love the mix of that. And beautiful sort of old gold champagne color. Just love that one. And you have this one. And a beautiful tatting piece, quite a large piece, I must say as well. Very dainty. Super beautiful. That one. Then a Battenberg piece, also quite a large piece. You can cut these into hearts. You can see the heart shape there. Leave this one in the bottom, and then selection of these pieces. Very fragile, very dainty as well, but I just love that. So this is the kit that's called Kit B from the Christmas in July kits, and yeah, I just can't wait to hear what you think about the elements that I put in, of course, about the paper collection. And if you're interested, just send me a PM. You can send me that on Facebook, Instagram, or on YouTube. And if I contact you, then you're the lucky one to be able to purchase this one. And I hope you all are doing well and you're all staying safe, and staying tuned for some more projects that I'm working on. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.